South Africa's African National Congress is leaning towards trying to form a government of national unity with a wide range of parties, it said on Wednesday. That's after the ANC lost its majority, for the first time since Nelson Mandela led it to power in 1994 elections that marked the end of apartheid. It remains the largest party, but is unable to govern alone. Spokesperson Mahlengi Bengu-Motsiri cited the results of last week's election, saying, "A government of national unity is what the people of South Africa said to us." Bengu-Motsiri said the ANC has been talking to 5 parties, ranging from the Free Marketeer Democratic Alliance to the Marxist Economic Freedom Fighters. The business sector and investors have a strong preference for a deal with the strongly pro-business DA.
Thank you.
The EFF's policies, including nationalising mines and banks and redistributing land from white to black farmers, are viewed less positively by markets and the private sector. The rand currency extended losses in volatile trade as Bengu-Motsiri spoke, trading down more than 1% against the dollar at one stage. The ANC will have 159 seats in the 400-seat National Assembly, the DA 87 and the EFF 39. A new entrant, Umkhonto we Sizwe, or MK, came a surprisingly strong third in the May 29th vote and will have 58 seats. However, it is led by former scandal-hit President Jacob Zuma, who is an enemy of President Cyril Ramaphosa. Bengu-Motsiri said the ANC had approached MK, but had been rebuffed.